Welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on Coincheck, one of the most trusted and user-friendly cryptocurrency platforms in Japan and beyond. Whether you're new to crypto or an experienced trader, Coincheck offers a robust suite of features for all users. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. After creating an account on Coincheck, you'll be greeted with a clean and intuitive dashboard that simplifies navigation. You'll notice key areas like the wallet, where you can store and manage your cryptocurrencies. To start trading, head to the Buy-Sell section, which supports a range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ripple. Coincheck also boasts low transaction fees, making it ideal for frequent traders. For those interested in passive income, the platform offers a staking option. Simply deposit supported cryptocurrencies to start earning rewards. Coincheck also provides a secure environment with advanced security features, such as multi-signature wallets and two-factor authentication, ensuring the safety of your funds. The app's mobile-friendly design allows you to trade and monitor your portfolio on the go, making it convenient for modern traders. If you want to dive deeper into the features, Coincheck's Learning Center is a valuable resource with tutorials and articles about cryptocurrency markets and trends. Ready to get started? Click the sign-up link in the description and claim your bonus as a new user. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like for more insightful content.